Yeah, I had an issue with one of the panels. It was faulty, it wasn't working. I thought, oh, well, I thought, here we go. We've got to go through all these issues of warranty and, they want this evidence, they want that evidence, but it wasn't. It was a totally new experience for me, and they acted on it, and they were real polite, real easy to deal with. They responded straight away, came out to site, and it was replaced really easy and quickly without an issue. They fixed it, no stress, nothing at all. It was really easy, pain-free, and quick. That's the big thing. It was just quick. I rang up, they took the call, they responded, it was replaced, and all done within a week, I think, from memory. And it was replaced without me stressing about anything, really. So it was great. Yeah, I didn't have to argue with anyone about anything, basically, so it was good.